Just got back from the gym. We got, boom, Metrics protein bar. 390 calories, 9 grams of fat. Oh my. Well, anyways, welcome to the video, and we're gonna be customizing our website, our landing page to be exact, because I do not like how this looks. It could be more minimal. It could be more simple. Some people don't like that, but for me, that's my style. That's how I've always created websites. I can show you a couple of them right now. So first, we got my gym sample website. I just made this for fun using the W3 School CSS. Minimalistic. Then we got inspirational programming quotes. Minimalistic. Then we got my latest project. So this is Care4JI. Boom. Minimalistic. My main website. Boom. Minimalistic. And it's pretty nice, not gonna lie. So now whenever we look at this, it is minimalistic, but it could be more minimal. So we're gonna be focusing on the contacts, the fun facts, the pricing, and maybe the features. So you're gonna be seeing me fast forward a lot because sometimes I don't talk when I program because I'm too focused on it, but I'll try to explain what I'm doing. So right here, we just started the development server from Next.js, and we're also gonna be using Tailwind because this is also with Tailwind. If you go to this Wapalizer, and if you can see, we have Next.js and then we have Tailwind CSS. And also, of course, the Google Manager. Bro, why do I see negative? We got new people though from China, 3 people. So first off, we're gonna be focusing on the background. It could be just pure white. So right here, we will just get rid of the gradient. We'll put background of white, save it. First step done. So now I don't really like this hover effect anymore. It got old to me. So we're gonna be focusing on creating a, it's this little effect that I like to create on all of my websites. Well, some of them. And it is a background shadow, but instead of a shadow, it's more of a solid color. So right here, we're using arbitrary values to pass in this little shadow because I don't think they make a shadow the way I want it to be. So we're just gonna customize it. I mean, I could go into the Tailwind config file and create my own box shadow, but I don't want to mess anything up. So I'd rather just do it inline. And as you can see here, this is how a shadow is created. If you move this value, which is the blur, we can see this changes the density of the shadow. So usually to make it the way I like it, I would want it like 2 pixels. No, let's make it, 1 pixel. So everything's flush and clean. So now we need to adjust the little hover animation and the way the color is showing because it's blue and it's doing the box shadow when we hover. So that would be right here in this same thing. Yep, here it is. Let's adjust that really quick. So right here, instead of putting it as a basic shadow, I'm actually gonna animate it. So it's like this. See, that's more clean. And instead of going up, I wanted to go at an angle. So we're gonna do negative y of 1. And then we're also gonna do a hover negative x of 1 as well. So now we have like a little popping out effect. So yeah, I think this page got pretty minimalized. Don't forget to use code Ali21 on the rep website. If y'all are interested in working out products or energy drinks as well, they have pre-workout, they have energy drinks, and they have many other vitamins and essential things. So I kind of dig this blue hover. So like whenever we're not hovering over the text, it's black, and then whenever we hover over the text, it's blue. I kind of like that because it matches the loading bar down here. So now we're gonna work on the pricing. We're basically gonna copy and paste what we did with this, but instead of hovering over the pricing, it's already like this because there's a little shadow if you hover over it. It is kind of clean the way it is, but let's make it a little bit better for it, at least my liking, because there's not enough data for what the people like. So actually, I was just looking at this. I want this footer instead of it being gray, I want it to be white. So let's adjust that right here. Let's create that, save it. Boom, it's white. So right here, we just erase the other shadow whenever we hover, this hover over effect. I deleted it and now we're just putting it as a static shadow. If I save it, you can see right here. And let's just clean it up a little bit. I did shrink it a little bit because it was kind of too big, but here's some color theory for you. So it's fading from white or blue 50 to blue 100, and we're just gonna make it pure white. And look how it changes the style. So now we have this minimalistic design of a pricing page with a white background that fades in with the footer. So we have pricing down, we have fun facts down. Let's now work on the contact us. So I'm gonna try to keep the theme the same. So I'm just gonna copy and paste what I did right here to over here. And let's delete 2 whites right there. Did it mess up anything? No, it didn't. Okay, let's start on the contact. So right here, I changed the background to white instead of that blue. And now you can't see anything that's in the contact us. So we're gonna make the border. We're gonna delete the shadow that has the little shadow here. And we're gonna make it that static shadow. And as you can see, it deleted the whole entire border. So we're just gonna do a border and then border black. Let's do it right here really quick. Border and border black. Save it. And now there you go. Minimalistic design. Let's add the footer again right here. Just import. Let's put this all in a React fragment to see how it would function like this. So I could just pass in footer. Okay, yes. So now if we full screen it, this is what they see. And if they scroll down, boom. And also there's a little trick. I don't know if y'all went to the website and checked this out, but if you hover over this, it switches. I really want to animate it so whenever you hover, like on the app, whenever you tap on the icon, like a little Easter egg, because I want it to be fun in a way. So whenever the user taps this icon, it will do an animation of the rocket ship like taking off, and then the screen will do this little particle effect. But let's work on the features, the app features. This gray background fading into white. I'll just make it all white. There we go. Now we have just a pure white background. And for the homepage itself, I think it's pretty good. I mean, Next.js created it for me, so I can't complain. So it starts off from this, the blue 50, I believe, and goes down. Oh, okay, let's work on this. Adding a black border to things just makes everything look so clean. More cartoony a little bit, but it's okay. And right here, I can see that there's a little bit of fading from white to blues, and then there's an offset right here. So the blue that's getting faded into the blue is getting mixed up with the colors, because the background is already a gradient, and a gradient on top of another gradient is just not, it does not look right. So we just turn it pure white. But yeah, if y'all suggest anything else I should do with this landing page website to make it more optimal for the users itself, I need to add that the app could actually allow the users to manage their own company members and approve or delete or remove the existing users and other stuff that I've implemented, and that would be on the next video. But here's what we did. Come over here, made this more cartoony-esque but minimalistic. Got rid of the gradients, got rid of this gradient right here, left this the way it is. The features made the background white so everything pops out. The pricing, we made it more cartoony but minimalistic. Fun facts, same thing. Whenever you hover, it does this popping out effect that I really like. And then in contact, it's a pop-up. It's a little pop-up. I could implement something like a automated algorithm pathfinding thing that squiggles here on the side or something. I don't know, something fun, but we'll see. If y'all enjoyed, please like and subscribe.